Hey everyone, welcome to Daily News Wrap by Voice of Crypto. Today is 8th June 2022 and we're going to look at the top trends, price action and top news of cryptocurrency market. We'll also have a look at the top gainers of the day, so stick around till the end to learn more about them. So the crypto market was trading slightly on the higher side today. Major tokens saw considerable price surge. But before heading to the top cryptocurrencies, let's look at the market cap. So the global crypto market cap traded at $1.25 trillion with an incline of close to 2.4% over the last day. So now let's talk about the top cryptocurrencies and let's start with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, which once again crossed the 30,000 mark with an incline of close to 3% in the last 24 hours and a decline of 3% in last 7 days. Ethereum traded at $1,800 with an incline of over 2% in last 24 hours, and in last 7 days, Ethereum price has dropped by close to 7%. Tether saw a minor incline and traded at $1. Similarly, the number 4 USD coin traded at $1. BNB or Binance, which took a hit yesterday, traded at $290 with an increase of over 3% in last 24 hours, and in the weekly chart it was down by more than 8%. Now that is all about the top 5 cryptocurrencies, and let's look at some altcoins. So Cardano, which saw a jump of almost 14% last day, traded at $0.6 today with an increase of over 8%, and in last 7 days it rose by close to 4%. Similarly, XRP by Ripple was up by close to 3% and traded at $0.4, and in weekly chart it was down by 4%. Binance USD traded at $1 with a minor growth of 0.07%. On the other hand, Solana was trading at close to $40, moved up in charts by 0.4% with a decline of 12% weekly. Polkadot traded at $9 with an increase of 0.3%, and the popular meme coin Doge also saw an incline of 0.2% in the price and traded at $0.08. Meanwhile, wrapped Bitcoin traded at $30,000 and was up by 3% in last 24 hours, and in last 7 days it fell by over 3%. Now let's look at the top news of the day. So Cardano is the most held crypto according to a recent report on Twitter. Cardano, which led the market as the biggest gainer out of 100 cryptocurrencies, is the favorite currency investors are interested to hold in the bear market. Poll conducted by London Real found out that out of over 8,000 votes, 77% of voters held Cardano in bear market. And currently, as discussed before, Cardano traded at $0.6 with a surge of over 8.5%. Next, we have Chainlink, which has soared a 4-week high of $8 on Wednesday. This makes Chainlink's tokens one of the best performing asset, and with a market capitalization of over $3.9 billion, it is currently 21st largest digital currency. Finally, as we are aware that the crypto market's bear turn seems to have affected all the tokens except tokens which are linked to Metaverse arena. According to recent reports, prices of Metaverse tokens have risen by 400% year on year, even as the rest of the market turned for the worse. Tokens linked to Metaverse platforms like Decentraland, Sandbox, Axie Infinity and StepIn were up by 41%, 470%, 501% and 746% respectively. Finally, let's look at the top gainers for the day. So we have Theta Network with a price surge of over 11% in last 24 hours and traded at $1 with an incline of 2% in last 7 days. Next, we have Chainlink, which saw an increase of 10% and traded at $8 in last 24 hours. As mentioned, Cardano, which traded at 0.6, was up by 8.5%. Similarly, Decred or DCR token also saw an incline of over 8% and traded at $35. StepIn GMT traded at $1 with an incline of 8%, and in last 7 days it was down by close to 10%. Next, we have NEO, which traded at almost $12 with a jump of 7% in last 24 hours and 5% in weekly charts. While FTX token was down by 2%, it traded at $27 with a price surge of 7.8%. And finally, Aviv, which traded at $13, was up by over 6%. Now that is all for today. If you like our content, do follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and do hit the subscribe button if you like the video. I'll see you tomorrow with more updates from crypto market.